Hey y'all, tonight I am making bacon wrapped asparagus. It's a very easy recipe. I use asparagus, chicken broth, bacon, some Tony Chachere's, and some salt. So let me show you how I make this. It's very easy. This is a very easy side dish to take to Thanksgiving dinner. So basically I just cut the hard ends off. You can see about that much. And then I am going to wash these before I put them in my pan. Throw those in my colander. And finish cutting all these hard ends off. If you try to cook, these ends here are too chewy. They're way too big and too chewy. So just cut all your ends off. Give them to your chickens or put them in your compost bin, whichever you want to do. This is asparagus is 77 cents a pound right now where I live. So it's very cheap. Once you have washed it, you're going to get your bacon. Just get the bacon of your choice. It doesn't really matter which kind. This is a thick, naturally hardwood smoked Kroger bacon. I'm going to cut these in half. I'm going to grab a bunch of the little stalks, take a piece of bacon, and wrap it around. And then I'm going to layer these in my foil pan I have over here to take with me tomorrow. So just grab one bunch, piece of bacon, and wrap it around. I'm going to keep doing this until I have filled my pan. Once I've done that, I will be back to show you what I do next. And now that I have all of my asparagus wrapped in bacon, I'm going to take this chicken broth and pour it over it. Use the entire container. There we go. Gonna sprinkle it with some salt and some Tony Chachere's. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cover this with foil, and I'm going to bake this in the oven for an hour, and then I will test the asparagus for tenderness to see if it's tender enough, and if it is, then it'll be done. If not, we'll cook it a little bit longer. So a 350-degree oven for an hour with a piece of foil over it, or if you're using like a casserole dish like this, you would want to put the lid on. It keeps the moisture in. So let's get some foil on this and get this in the oven. And there you go. After 1 hour, the asparagus is done. We've already tasted some, and it's ready to go up to the farm. So there you go. That's how you make bacon wrapped asparagus with a little Cajun twist to it. It will be popular no matter what the occasion, Christmas, Thanksgiving, barbecues. Everyone pretty much loves this dish. So thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.